Beans, are you in a bad mood? Hmm? You're so cute. Why are you so mad? Huh? Now you have your claw stuck again in my sleeve. Listen to that meow. Oh, it's so sad. It's a sea bean sound. That's how the sea beans meow. Get him smiling. Oh, Beans, you always get your claw stuck in my sleeve, you silly cat. Come on. Ouch. You're a bad cat. Bad, bad, bad kitty. But I love you. It's a claw. You got your you got your paw stuck in my sleeve again. You're doing that on purpose. Oh, look at you smiling. Okay. Beans, you're a bad kitty. Bad Bobo. You're being Bobo right now. You're being Bobo Beans, the bad sea bean. You sure don't bite hard. Oh. He's smiling.